Our protocol was designed to increase the delaying recovery from intracellular acidosis to potentiate the cardioprotective effects of the original protocol of postconditioning. No pharmacological agent or special equipment is necessary for this method, so it is very safe and readily available in any catheterization laboratory around the world.
Most physicians may not be able to reproduce the postconditioning with lactate-enriched blood procedures or PCREV only by reading our papers, so visual demonstration can help with implementation.
After pinpointing the occluded lesion by coronary angiography and finishing the wiring procedures, move the balloon catheter forward and place the balloon at the occluded lesion. To determine whether the balloon is appropriately placed at the lesion, deliver a large volume contrast medium into the culprit coronary artery. After checking the balloon position, the contrast medium will fill the lumen from the manifold to the tip of the guiding catheter. Disconnect the syringe injector from the manifold and connect a 30 milliliter syringe. Then aspirate 20 to 30 milliliters of lactated ringer solution through the line connected to the inlet of the manifold until the syringe is filled. When the syringe has been filled, inflate the balloon catheter for 20 to 30 seconds at low pressure. Then deflate the balloon and start the initial 10-second reperfusion. At the start of the reperfusion, immediately dispense at least 4 milliliters of ringer solution to push all